Demonstrate how to do some maintenance on the Snap Pro. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to turn it off. I've got it unplugged. Alright, I'll turn it over, unlock the bottom part here, lift it up. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to check back here. We're going to make sure that all this area is clean of blood. As you can see, there's some blood kind of caked up there from when the test snapped. Sometimes there's extra blood and conjugate in the well, so it kind of snaps up to the top. So we want to make sure that's all clean. Sometimes it can, if it builds up too much, it can drop down into the well and then we can get contaminated tests and incorrect results. Make sure everything in here is just clean. We'll go ahead and turn that over. I'm going to look at this part here. I'm going to flip it over. Make sure that this area is also clean of blood. I'm just using some alcohol on some Q-tips to make sure everything is clean. Make sure everything functions well, nothing sticks, everything moves pretty freely. Go ahead and stick this back in here. And put it back together. Again, make sure that it moves freely here. We don't want anything to be in the way. We want to make sure that everything is clean here. Some dust back here. We don't want that to get into any of the plug-in areas. So go ahead and clean this off. And then we want to make sure that the screen is clean as well. We don't want to mess up any of the calibration when it comes to pushing the buttons on there. We want to make sure that what we're touching is actually what's getting pushed, as opposed to maybe touching down here and actually hitting something up here. So it helps to keep the screen clean and keeps us from having to recalibrate the screen as often. So we'll let this turn back on. Make sure that the internet signal is good, and then we'll also make sure that the battery status is good. Since it's been plugged in, it should be fully charged, which it is. So we've got that there. Green light. The screen is clear, so we don't have any pending heartworm tests or any combo tests at all, which is important to know. Sometimes it doesn't always get deleted in this machine, even if it gets put in the computer. So I want to make sure that that's clear, just to keep it from getting built up. And then that's about it.